You are watching Louis' performance task in language. Do you like ice cream? Today, we are going to make our own ice cream using only 3 ingredients. Hello, ice cream machine. Let's start to make ice cream. First, prepare the things you need. 5 tablespoons chocolate powder, half cup condensed milk, 1 cup of all-purpose cream, and hand or stand mixer. Second step. In a bowl, put the condensed milk and chocolate powder. I like to use a strainer for the chocolate powder so there would be no big clumps when mixing. So I'm just going to put it there. I'm just going to put that there. Add the chocolate powder. Use this to sizzle. Using this to sieve. Just going to get the one to the side. Next, mix it well until there are no more lumps. So let's just mix it. Mix it so that it will be smooth. And if it is smooth just like this and then there are no more lumps, then you just set it aside. Next, using a mixer, whisk all-purpose cream until double in volume. Wait.
Nope. This one. Come on.
Now it is doubled in volume. Wait. See? It's already doubled in volume. Okay?
Okay.
Next, put a whiskful of whipped cream and into the chocolate and condensed milk mixture. So it says a whiskful. A whiskful. I think this is okay. Well, since I'm only using spatula. Mix it until it is thinned out. I'm just going to add more. Wait for a minute. I'm helping. Then I'm going to mix it. Next, add the thinned out mixture to the whipped cream and fold. Be careful not to overmix. So I'm just going to add the mixture. I'm going to use my own spatula. There you go. I'm still trying to get the remains. So then you need to fold it while mixing, just like this. Then mix and fold until it's mixed properly. Look at the chocolate mix. Let's see. Over there. Lastly, transfer to a container with lid and freeze overnight. How am I going to do this? Wait for the better way. Being careful. Being careful.
Use the spatula.
Wait. Just look at this is the finished product. You put on the lid. You just put on the lid. Wait naman. Then you put it inside the ref to the freezer and then freeze overnight. Now that you know how to make ice cream, you can add some nips, chocolate chips, crushed cookies, marshmallows if you want. When you are finished, serve it to your family or friends and enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you!